Hey everyone, Alex here. Hope you're doing well. In front of me I have a few of the new Detail Factory Octane line of brushes. So I have the pink and blue colorway. That's an amazing presentation at TRCMA. First week of April down there, we had Detail Factory there doing an amazing presentation with all these new vibrant color brushes. And I don't know about you, but I love bright colors for brushes because how many times you set something down, turn around, forget where you put it, and you can never find it. So with this, there's going to be no problems there. So with the Fender wheel brush, bit of a trick to get the box open. So we're going to crack this open on the bottom, take that out, and nice soft bristles, a nice long handle to get in the wheel wells. Kind of the same material as our next brush we're going to be talking about, which is the wheel face brush. So again, same colorway with the pink and the blue, super nice, and these bristles are very, very similar. So depending on if you're using a big truck, you can use that for the wheels, but this one as well for the smaller wheels, like on the SUVs and cars I have now, this is going to be perfect for me. So great ergonomic handle, kind of a medium stiffness. So if you do have gloss black wheels, maybe be cognizant of that, but overall a great handle brush, nice little grip as well. And then to finish things off for the tires, I have the original tire brush, but this is the new pink and blue XL Detail Factory tire brush. They're great for those larger tires, larger SUVs with like a, I don't know, 50, 70 series tire and up is going to be great for that. Very ergonomic, nice little contour to the bristles here, nice and stiff, but not too stiff. So again, great little thumb area here to kind of rest it on, and great grip as well. So stay tuned, we're going to clean up some wheels with these and hopefully get some fantastic results. All right, so we let the crystal wash sit for a sec. So now we got our brake buster at 10-1. Quick application of the tire. Then we're going to use our Detail Factory tire brush. A little bit wet. So this is the XL version. A little bit bigger for these 65 series tires. Works quite well. Give that a quick rinse. And then for the wheel faces, we're going to be using the new Detail Factory tire face brush. Get that wet. So these are steelies, I'm not overly concerned. But those, the bristles are soft enough to get into these tight little areas. Great ergonomic feel as well. That works pretty good. And we're going to go ahead and give that a rinse. So what I'm going to do quick is actually hit the fender well with some water and brake buster. And then we're going to use the new fender well brush as well. Quick little rinse. And we'll hit that brake buster. So these are plastic well liners. These are not the carpeted ones. Take our brush. Load that up. There's a nice long handle. You know, this car is just stock, so it's able to get in there nice and tight. But if you do have a lowered vehicle, it may be a little bit tricky. Or if you just have low clearance. And again, as I mentioned, you can use this for bigger truck tires, things like that. Get all up in the lip. And the wheel's already been done as well, so we'll give it all a rinse. And there we go. A quick little wheel cleaning with the new Detail Factory Octane line of brushes. So to recap, we got the fender brush, got the XL tire, and we have the wheel face as well. Now we're going to continue on the rest of the wheels, and thanks for tuning in.